I'm Loris Amilian from Rosnes, Quezon City. I'm 23 years old. Represent Aaron Lavender. As a samurai warrior, a warrior that warrior your heart and capture mind. Thank you.
Good evening to everyone. I'm 23 years old from Quezon City. I representing Mr. Bulgari. Thank you.
Being fearless in a fight, a Greek warrior never surrender! For he has perseverance, faith, and dignity. For he bears defeat without losing his heart. At last, a great warrior from Cavite is born, possessing a lot of fighting spirit and immaculate soul to face all the challenges of life. This is Edison Soriano Dantas, representing with all pride and glory, Hugo Boss!
Good evening to everyone. I'm 23 years old from Caloocan City. Tonight, I'm wearing a Mongolian warrior costume to represent strength, power, and vitality. That's all. Thank you.
Good evening, Fahrenheit. Standing in front of you is a 25 years old Spaniard who helps protect our South. And tonight, I am the Roman god of war who never give up till the end of my life. And this is Ray Edward Colio representing Navigator.
Good evening to all of you. I'm June Lison, 21 years old, from Santa Mesa, representing UN.
Hayaan niyo po buhayin ko ang dugo sa iyong mga katawan ngayong gabi. Dahil binuhay sa mga katamdong tao. Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, and judgment. I am the warrior that will save you and will be remembered not just for tonight, but for a lifetime. This is Michael Guillermo saying, be in love, be insane, be crazy, be obsessed. Remember me, obsession.
Hi, good evening to all the members of Starry Night. I cannot breathe under the water, that's why I'm here in the land in front of you. This is Patrick Salazar, 25 years old from Mandaluyong. Tonight I'm representing Paparazzi. Thank you.
Not just to live, and you have to have something worthwhile living for. And I always believe that our worth as a person is not seen on how others praise us, neither diminish on how others criticize us. Instead, on how God sees us, no more, no less. I am your devil warrior. I'm not here to explode the evil. Instead, I am here to rescue all those fashion victims because I am the devil who wears Prada.
Gentlemen, and everyone in between. My name is William Cobo, 25 years old from San Mesa, Manila. Tonight, I stand in front of you as one of the Apache Indians, the brave warriors of Native America. Apache Indians are not only known for their courage, but also for their belief in totem animals. Tonight, my totem animal is an eagle. Because just like an eagle, I will soar high, reach for the skies, and fulfill my dreams of becoming Mr. Fahrenheit 2010. Again, this has been William Philip Balasa, proud to represent Prince. Good evening, everyone. This is Henry from Romance. Good evening, Fahrenheit. I like an ink that will make a mark that you wouldn't forget, because tonight you will witness the next Mr. Fahrenheit icon, and that's me, Mr. Salvatore, representing one of the 7 archangels. He is a fighter of love, dignity, integrity, and passion. Once again, I'm Mr. Salvatore, representing Archangel Uriel.
Isang pagbibigay pugay sa ating mga katutubong kababayan mula sa kabundukan ng Mindanao. Ang mga mandirigbang tagso, tulad ng bawat isa na narito ngayon na naniniwala sa tunay na pagkakapantay-pantay, maging anumang lahi, kulay, kasarian. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Justin Perez, Sound Paradise.
My name is John Lopez from Antipolo City, from representing Tommy Elpinga.
Good evening to each and everyone. Wearing a warrior suit, a guardian warrior, symbolized as strength and courage. My name is Yuji Peralta, 21 years old, Versace.
Good evening, Fahrenheit. Being sexy will not just end by just having beautiful body. You also have this, and this. All the people who know me, I am very sexy. I'm 24 years of age, and tonight, I am your savior. Ang prinsipe ninyong lahat.